bastards. Ah, shit. Chinese colors are white and red, but like every fucking Asian country, it's all fucking white and red.
I turned it around because I thought my dog was playing with the squeaky toy.
Time for your core body temperature to adjust, and that's why this heat rating is in effect. This diagram shows us core body temperature.
I think you enjoy that more than your dog.
Adjust.
I was just joking, but I think that's the truth.
Oh, that was a good one. That was.
And that's why this heat rate thermic you lose 2 water per second. There are no other effects. Now the only factor you need to consider with staying cool in this patch is what you're wearing to keep your heat rating as low as possible. The best way to do this is by wearing any shirt. A Freshborn t-shirt is by far the best, but these 2-slot shirts are pretty good and the tactical shirt isn't bad either. Wearing a jacket or jumper of any kind will significantly heat you up, and wearing unnecessary attachments will heat you up slightly too, such as wearing gloves or armbands. My advice is to wear a thin hat like a boonie or a baseball cap, don't wear gloves, armbands or masks, and don't wear...
Stop!
You have a fucking pig in his house? What the fuck? Jesus. Dude, I honestly think you're fucking autistic in some way. Oh. This nigga's the real life Patrick, dude, I swear to God. Oh. Everyone, SpongeBob.
Is that an actual pig?
Smacking his ass.
I can.
What am I listening to? I just hear noises. Dude. What is that, a 1912 fucking car alarm? Dude, I find sounds funny, dude. Dude, okay, it's not funny.
I pissed myself.
Dude, buy you a fucking chew toy, dude.
When it squeaked really loud, when the pig thing was really loud, dude, I was.
This nigga has that old man laugh. He's like, yes. Right there. That shit hurts. It's not that funny to begin with.
It was like all these little like.
Nigga, it's not random. It's been happening for 5 minutes straight.
No, but like it's playing in different like small noises. And there's that.
Oh my god. That's a knee slapper.
I've been rolling on the floor for like 5 minutes now. Ow!
Ow.
I smacked myself with my chair leg in my fucking ear. Oh, that was a good laugh.
He was just thinking about it. Remember that time when he made pig noises? Alright, well I'm playing fucking Daisy now.
I'll get on in a moment. Oh no. Oh, he muted his mic. Oh no, he kicked me for the call. Why would you do such a thing?
You need a fucking timeout.
Oh no.
They increase your heat value a lot. All of the other shoes are
I'm
fine
done.
there.
It's over.
Ending that you take your clothes.
Nigga's autistic.
Oh man.